Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Moo Guns. Today I have two muzzle devices from Zer0 and Sons. Zer0 and Sons is a business specializing in metal 3D printed suppressors and muzzle devices. If you haven't noticed, several major manufacturers have also turned to 3D printing. They include Sig Sauer, B&T, Primary Weapon Systems, and Huxwork. 3D printing allows you to create complex internal geometries and intricate flow paths that are impossible or impractical with traditional methods. This creates improved sound suppression, reduced flash, lower back pressure, and increased durability. Zer0 and Sons sent me two muzzle devices that are 3D printed to test out. Proud to have the opportunity to test Zer0 and Sons muzzle devices. The first one is going to be the Eclipse for the 5.56 in 1/2x28 threads, the most commonly used threads for the AR and 5.56 platforms. This muzzle device is supposed to reduce the muzzle flash, and by looking at it, it can act as a muzzle brake also. It uses a 5/16 Allen key to install, so you don't need to mar up even muzzle devices. The muzzle device is rounded, and you can see in the middle where the Allen key inserts, so you can tighten it to the barrel. The other muzzle device is called a shaker. It is a radio compensator for muzzle control. This is a very neat, and I think I'm going to really enjoy this one. This is a prototype version, so if you get a new one, you'll be able to tighten it with the use of a 1/4-inch Allen wrench. So instead of rounded middle, there'll be a slot for your Allen key. The devices will be tested on a basic AR-15 upper, nothing special about it. First, I will be shooting the A2 birdcage muzzle device, and it will be the baseline for my testing. The A2 birdcage has been around since the early 1970s to mitigate muzzle flash. So enough talk, hit like and subscribe, and let's go do some shooting. Hey guys, this is Blue Moo Guns. I'm in my hunt shack, open all the windows, doing this like in daytime. First one, I got the bird cage on here, so let's see how it goes. Magazine, didn't like to poke back. A little bit of recoil on this one. Alright, next one's going to be the Eclipse. Alright, this is the Eclipse from Zer0 and Sons. Off safety. This will I like it. It has like a tooth fork thing. It's good recoil. I think it's less than recoil because I think it's acting a little bit like compensator. I like it. Let's go for the shocker. The shaker. Safety. This will This is shaker from Zer0 and Sons. Let's do it in daytime, see how it goes. You can noticeably tell the difference about recoil. This compensator keeps it straight on line. I'm not jumping all over the place. I'm going to have to do another mag with this shaker. I like it. Man, I really like the shaker. Alright, make sure you hit like and subscribe, Blue Moo Guns. Try to make it as dark as possible in here. There's still a little bit of cracks and stuff. first one, I'm going to be shooting A2 birdcage. So hopefully this isn't so bad in here. All right. All right. This is the Eclipse from Zer0 and Sons. Next up, it's going to be the shaker. Let me pause this. I got to fix my little blackout curtain. From Zer0 and Sons. All right. This one's going to be the shaker from Zer0 and Sons. All right. Off safety. Whoa, yes. Whew. That's pretty cool. Woo, man, that shaker's awesome. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Woo, man, that shaker's awesome. Hey guys, we're back from farm. I really enjoyed these two muzzle devices from Zer0 and Sons. The Eclipse did awesome. It acted somewhat like compensated with the holes in there and reduced the recoil. I could tell by a little bit from shooting the birdcage. It also did good on the muzzle flash. The shaker, I really enjoyed the shaker. This thing, the recoil management was awesome. It felt like it was shooting flat. But it's not going to be a good flash suppressor at all. It was cool shooting in the dark, but the recoil management was awesome. These two muzzle devices from Zer0 and Sons, I recommend them. And he's also making the shaker where you don't have any holes on the bottom, so if you shoot prone, it won't be kicking up any dust. But Zer0 and Sons, hit like and subscribe. Blue Moo Guns. You guys have a good one.